do a cycle where it's just what you told me, just for now. Come again.
So Kayam Tefa just finished his sound check. It's Minister Mike. The mic here. The man. Minister Mayendere. Let's talk about the level of professionalism on the stage right now. Everybody knows exactly what they want. Everybody knows exactly what needs to be done. So every instruction or every request is very specific and targeted. Concert is about 20 minutes from starting. I don't know if you can hear me because there's some music playing in the background, but it's gonna be exciting actually. I found myself a good spot to sit right in the middle by the media team.
In front of you, let's create an atmosphere.